In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the voice settings, how to audition different options, and how to apply the one that fits your script. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Heygen. You'll see several results, so take a quick moment to identify the official site. Look for the verified domain and branding so you know you're in the right place. Once you've found it, click through to the homepage. From there, choose Sign In. Enter your credentials to access your account. Signing in ensures you have the tools and settings you need, including voice controls, inside the editor. After you're in, locate and click AI Studio. This will bring you to the main workspace where your projects and editing controls live. Inside the studio, turn your attention to the right-hand sidebar. This is where many of the project settings are organized. Look for the section labeled Voice. This panel controls how your script will sound when it's generated. If the panel is collapsed, click to expand it so you can see the current selection and available options. Within that voice area, click directly under the voice label to open the selector. You'll see the voice that's currently assigned to your script. To explore more choices, find the Replace button. Clicking Replace opens the full voice library, giving you access to a wide range of styles and tones. Browse through the voices at your own pace. When one catches your eye, click it, then press the play icon to hear a short sample. This preview is helpful for judging clarity, tone, pacing, and personality. Think about your content's intent, whether you want something friendly and conversational, professional and neutral, or energetic and bold. If your script uses a particular language or accent, choose a voice that matches for the most natural result. When you've found the right fit, click the voice again to apply it to your script. Before you finalize, you can play back a snippet of your project to make sure the delivery style aligns with your message. Small differences in speed or warmth can change the overall feel, so trust your ear and adjust if needed by selecting another option from the library. Once you're happy with your choice, click Save. Saving locks in the new voice for your project and ensures your changes aren't lost. That's it. Open Heygen, sign in, head to AI Studio, use the voice panel on the right, audition options through Replace, apply the one you like, and save your work. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.